It's 8:15 a.m. and we're in Glendale, Arizona, getting ready for my ride. It's March 3rd, probably around, I didn't look at the temperature, probably around 50 degrees, but there's a wind blowing up, so it feels kind of chilly out there. There's no rain in the forecast, but if you stay with me, you'll see that when I start turning north, the clouds look a little bit threatening. And I did get a couple of drops on me on my way home. Nothing serious. Well, let's ride. I stopped and got my coffee at McDonald's and finished it up here at Sundance Park. So now let's get the ride started for real. We'll be going, let's see, which way? We're going due west. Look at those clouds. Watch for traffic. Proceed when safe to do so. I strained my back, I guess 3, 4 days ago. Nothing serious. And so I haven't been riding. Not that riding is hard on my back or anything. It's actually very comfortable. But if I have to get up and, oh man, if I had a flat tire with a sore lower back, oh no, I wouldn't want to do that. So I stayed home. And it really is true that absence makes the heart grow fonder. I miss doing this, and even though it's the same route, it just looks wonderful to me. So glad to be out here. I don't really know what kind of clouds those are. There's a name for them. Maybe you know. I just call them the Simpsons clouds. I guess they're rain clouds, which I found out towards the end of my ride. Well, here we go. We're turning north now, so here are those clouds I was telling you about. Kind of dark in that direction, and it was windy, or I guess you'd call it blustery. I just love living in the desert, and I love all of its moods: hot, cold, dry, wet. It doesn't rain much here, but when it does, it comes down pretty hard and fast, so I should have had enough sense to not be out in this, but I was hoping it wouldn't rain on me. I managed to squeak by. My regular followers will recognize this as the route that I usually take, going north by northwest, heading towards Cactus Road, and, of course, the Jack in the Box, where I'd get some more coffee. Actually, lately I've been eating more food at Jack in the Box, and here's something I just discovered. It's called a Jumbo Jack with cheese. I just love them. I don't really mind the calories, because I burn them off, but It's $6, and I'm somebody who bought comic books for 12 cents when I was a kid. So now I know why the old folks were always complaining about how expensive everything was back when I was a kid. If you're as old as me, and you care to admit it, you can remember how prices just skyrocketed in the early 1970s, like the price of gas. Oh, it looks like some construction on Cactus Road. I moved to Phoenix when I was 19 in 1977, and I remember there seemed to be a lot of road construction. Figured I'd caught Phoenix had a bad time, but there's always been road construction. And there's the Jack in the Box just ahead. I think I can almost smell that delicious Jumbo Jack cheeseburger. Okay, watch for traffic. What a beautiful day to be out. Like I said, a little breezy, but it didn't look like it was going to rain until I was headed back home about an hour later, and a couple drops fell on me. Nothing serious. Thanks for riding along with me. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.